So guys, I have a 1,000 here, a 1,000 bills guys. Ayan. Challenge accepted guys. Ayan. Saan aabot ang aking 1,000 pesos? So, let's go guys. Magkano nga ba yung aking napamili ng mga fruits? Ayan, so let's go. Ayan guys, ito yung aking napamiling mga fruits guys. Ayan, look. My fruits na aking napamili guys. Ayan. Ayan, we have a pack 1. Coles, 150. A pineapple, 100. Ayan, 100. And this one guys, the orange. The orange. Ayan. This one guys, 50 each. 50 each guys. OMG. Ayan. Very expensive. All fruits today guys, it's very expensive. 50 each. Apple, 50 each. Also the peras, 50 each. And then guys, the other and the grapes, 250 ang 1 kilo guys. So I buy a half kilo only guys. And then charan, the pack 1 is very guys, very mabigat, malaki siya. Ayan, the melon I buy guys only 25 pesos. And then the suha, you know suha guys is a what nung tawag ng suha. Ayan, para siyang what we call this, apong ayan, ang suha I don't know. Ay para siyang anong English ng suha guys. Ayan, nasa bibig ko, hindi ko lang mabigkas. Ayan, anong English ng suha? Para siyang pomelo. No, pomelo. It's a pomelo. Ayan. It's a pomelo, guys. Ayan. So, ito yung aking napamiling mga fruits. Ayan, look at this. Ayan, guys. Ating mga napamiling fruits. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan, charan, orange over there. Ayan guys, orange, apple, cat. Ayan. For only 1,000 pesos overall. Overall guys, ayan yung ating mga napamili. Charan, pineapple, pakwan, orange. Ayan. So, ayan guys, o diba, ang galing ko mag-budget. Ayan, this one.